Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today on my channel. Today I thought I would show you what I'm sending the winner of my 10,000 subscriber giveaway, and that was Janiece. Hi Janiece, thank you for being so patient. She did win a gift certificate to scrapbook.com, which I did email to her right away. It's taken me a little bit to get this box of goodies together, but hopefully it's worth the wait. It's going out very soon, Janiece, so keep an eye out for a package in the mail. So I just wanted to show you all what I'm sending. I have a mixture of Halloween and Christmas goodies, things that I've made, a few things that are store-bought. So yeah, let me show you. I have the box right next to me, so I'm just going to take stuff out as they come. So this is something that I made, this cute little like bowl filler pillow. I made this last Christmas. So I thought you would like this, Janiece, to, put in your decorating this year. It's little, it doesn't take up much room, so hopefully you like it. I did all the hand sewing and embroidery and stuff, so I love these, and I hope you do too. I also am going to send you a little pie pin cushion that I made. That's a little peach one. It's got some scatter in there, like some faux cranberries, and I did make this little box and the flowers that come with it, so I'm including that in the package. Let's see, another store-bought, one store-bought thing are these stickles in the pretty like teal colors, and I added a piece of ephemera, a Christmas flag here, and I used removable glue dots, so you could take that off and reuse it if you would like. And then something else store-bought are these Cutter Bee scissors that I picked up at Dollar General, a couple pairs, so I figured I would include one in the giveaway prize. And these are great fussy cutting scissors, and I tied on a tag that I made, so you can reuse that too, of course, if you would like. It's blank on the other side. And then let's see. Okay, and this is a bag topper that I made for Scrap Diva Designs. And again, I used removable glue dots that you can reuse it. And this is a stamp and die set from Joann's with the cute little mouse and the strawberries. I had doubles of this, so I'm sending you one. And it's got really cute stamped images. So have fun with that, hopefully. And also this, I put it in a plastic bag, so I'm going to leave it there, but I had made this jelly tote over the summer for Scrap Diva Designs, but I turned it into a gingerbread themed one, and I just love how it came out. And inside I put the tree trim sampler that I have made, and I showed that on my channel as well. So once you use the trim, you can reuse the album as a photo album or whatever you want. It's up to you. And then some Halloween things. I made this. I've shown this on my channel before, this cute little monster or vampire box. And inside are lots of different sentiments, like fall and Halloween sentiments with shadow words. So hopefully you can use that either, well, if not this year, then next year. I know Halloween is next week. And then this is a package of more embellishments. There are a couple coffin keychains in there. This is a cute little box that I made. These are mostly design team projects. And then I have some shakers here, some candy corn. This is like a Halloween hot cocoa. So lots of fun embellishments, hopefully, that you can use. And then more Halloween. These are some like soda bottles that I made into Halloween theme. These are nice big embellishments. And then here are some ghost tags. These are so cute. These are from Scrap Diva Designs, and I added a bag topper as well, again with removable dots, so they could be reused. I love that little packaging. I think that looks so cute. Just a nice way to present, a few pieces of ephemera. I'm not the greatest at packaging, you guys, so hopefully this is okay. And then the last thing is these two Memory Decks treat bags, and they have Halloween goodies in there. This one has a bunch of like embellishments and bows and shakers and things like that. This one has a candy corn puppy sticker inside that cute little treat bag. So yeah, that is everything that I'm going to be including in my prize package. I had mentioned that I was going to show you guys, so in case you're curious, these are all of the things that Janiece is getting. So thanks so much for watching. I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Until then, I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care, everyone. Bye.